Hello there, my name is Teacher Ivy and I'm from the Philippines. For the past 5 years, I've been helping students build their English skills through engaging and meaningful lessons. I'm also a certified English teacher with a 120-hour TEFL certificate. Over the years, I've worked with learners of different ages, backgrounds, and goals. Many of my students have come from Japan, but I've also taught students from Korea, China, Vietnam, and other countries. These experiences have taught me that every learner is unique, which is why I adapt my lessons to fit each student's needs. If you're looking to improve your grammar, pronunciation, conversational skills, travel English, or everyday communication, I'll help you practice English in a way that feels natural and useful to real life situations. One thing my students often appreciate is that I create a comfortable space where they can express themselves without worrying about being perfect. Instead of simply memorizing words and rules, we'll focus on using English actively through discussions, practical examples, and interactive activities. I enjoy meeting people from different cultures and learning about their experiences, so our lessons can be both educational and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps in English or advanced learner looking to speak more naturally, I'll be here to guide and support your progress. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting you and helping you achieve your English goals. See you in class.